I'm going to try and stay completely present and find peace with God for an entire morning. Welcome to Morning with the Lord, a gentle faith music experience designed to bring daily blessing and peace to your morning routine. This music is crafted to help you connect with the Lord and set a positive, faith-filled tone for your day. Mornings can be tough, can't they? The stress, the rush, the feeling of being disconnected from what's truly important. It's easy to start the day overwhelmed, with a million things on your mind and a sense of dread about what's to come. But what if you could start your day differently? What if you could begin with a sense of peace, a sense of calm, and a sense of connection to something greater than yourself? In the chaos of modern life, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget what's truly important. Your morning routine sets the tone for the rest of the day, and that's why it's so important to start it with intention and purpose. As we journey through this morning together, I invite you to immerse yourself in the calming, gentle sounds of faith music. Let the subtle, beautiful nature imagery and abstract spiritual visuals transport you to a place of serenity and peace. You may see glimpses of scripture verses related to morning blessings, peace, or divine guidance, reminding you of God's presence in your life. May these words of scripture bring you comfort and guidance as you start your day. Let the gentle melodies and inspiring lyrics fill your heart and mind with faith and positivity. As we reach the midpoint of our journey, I want to share a beautiful melodic phrase that speaks to God's presence in our daily lives. May it bring you a sense of peace and reassurance that you are not alone. In the midst of life's challenges, it's easy to feel lost and uncertain, but God's presence is always with us. He guides us, comforts us, and strengthens us for the journey ahead. As the music gently fades out, I want to remind you that even a few minutes of faith-filled music can bring significant peace and blessing to your day. The goal of this video is to help you start each day with the Lord, and to encourage you to make faith a part of your daily routine. If you've been blessed by this video, I encourage you to subscribe for more daily blessing music and faith-based content. Share in the comments how you incorporate faith into your morning routine and what kind of music brings you peace.